When I want to take 5 away from 42, I can see that there are only 2 ones in 42. So I can't take away 5 ones without an exchange. So the way I solve it is by splitting the 5 into 2 numbers. Now there are lots of ways I can split the 5 into 2 numbers. I could split it into 1 and 4, 2 and 3, 3 and 2, and 4 and 1. If I look at 42, the way of splitting it that's going to really help me is 2 and 3. And this is why. Because what I'm trying to do is use my number facts that I already know. So I know if I have 42 and I take away the 2, so 42 take away 2 will give me 40. And I want to get to that multiple of 10 because I know that 40 take away 3 is 37. Yeah. If you were not sure about that step, you could split the 40 into 30 and 10, and then do 10 take away 3 is 7. And you can see 40 take away 3 is 37. So if I was doing 33 take away 6, I could see straight away that I'm going to go through the tens barrier. So the easiest way for me to do it is to split the number 6 into 2 parts. So let's see, there are lots of ways you can split the number 6 into 2 parts. So let's have a look at them. 1 and 5, 2 and 4, 3 and 3, 4 and 2, 5 and 1. But the one I want is the pair that's going to help me get to the next 10. So 3 and 3. 33. So if I take away that 3, I'm going to get to 30. So this is what I do. First I do 33, and I take away the first 3, and we know that will get us to 30. And then I do 30, and I take away the second 3. Now if you're stuck on this step, remember, 30 take away 3, I can split this number 30 into 20 and 10. And I know that 10 take away 3 is 7. So 30 take away 3 is 27. So 33 take away 6 is 27.